हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लर्निंग फिजिक्स। आज की हमारी क्लास टिप्स और ट्रिक्स की जो है उसमें करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का एक क्वेश्चन हम ले रहे हैं। जल्दी से कैसे सॉल्व किया जाए इसका एक तरीका बताएंगे। ध्यान दिया जाए। द क्वेश्चन सेज a wire of resistance 36 ohm is cut into three equal parts. Each part is stretched back to the same length and all the three stretched parts are connected in parallel. What's the resistance of the combination so formed? चार आंसर्स दिए हुए हैं 6 ओम 18 ओम 36 ओम 72 ओम। क्वेश्चन एक बार समझते हैं and I'll give you a direct answer. We've got a wire of resistance 36 ohm, cut it into three equal parts and all the three stretched parts all the three parts are stretched back to the same length and now they are connected in parallel. What's the resistance of the combination so formed? The answer is 36 ohm. Very simple. जितनी रेजिस्टेंस पहले थी अभी भी इतनी ही होगी। क्वेश्चन में क्या कंडीशंस हैं? इट्स नॉट दैट इट हैपेंस विद एवरी क्वेश्चन। इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन तो व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस अटैच्ड? द वायर is cut into a number of parts. All the parts are stretched to the same length and now they are connected in parallel. The resistance remains same for the combination so formed. कितना ही पार्ट्स में उसे काट सकते हैं बट उसी लेंथ तक सभी पार्ट्स को स्ट्रेच करना है। सो फिर से एक बार, a wire of resistance 40 ohm is cut into four equal parts. All these four parts are stretched to the same length. Now they are connected in parallel. What's the resistance of the combination so formed? 40 ohm. Very simple. Direct answer लिख सकते हैं। और एक खास बात, it's not necessary that these parts may be equal. They may even be unequal. They may even be unequal. एक half है, एक 1/3 है, 1/6 है, ऐसे there are number of parts and all the parts they are stretched to the same length. Now all of them are connected in parallel. The resistance remains same. जितनी यहाँ थी उतनी यहाँ पर होगी। ठीक है, हम एक क्वेश्चन में ये प्रूव करके देखते हैं ऐसा कैसे होगा। Let's take this itself as the example. So we have a wire of resistance 40 ohm. Say the length is L, area is A. The resistance is given by rho L by A and that's 40 ohm. Right? Now that's L by 4. Each part has a length L by 4, 1/4. Stretch it to the same length. Length becomes L, area becomes A by 4. When you stretch a wire, the area decreases. Obviously, किसी वायर को खींचेंगे पतली हो जाएगी. You increase the length by stretching it, the area will decrease. और लेंथ अगर 4 times तो एरिया 1/4, वॉल्यूम रिमेनिंग सेम. लेंथ 3 times, एरिया 1/3. लेंथ डबल कर देंगे, एरिया हाफ हो जाएगा. लेंथ 4 times कर देंगे, एरिया 1/4 हो जाएगा. तो L by 4 को L करेंगे अगर तो लेंथ 4 times हो गई, एरिया becomes A by 4. This resistance will be rho L by A by 4 equal to 4 rho L by A, or 4 into 40, that's equal to 160 ohm. So each wire after being stretched will have a resistance of 160 ohm. चारों की रेजिस्टेंस 160 each. पैरेलल का फॉर्मूला लगाया जाए, 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 and so on. The resistance, net resistance comes out to be how much? 40 ohm. हर केस में ऐसा ही होगा. ठीक है जी. So the conditions attached, we cut a wire into a number of parts. Each part is stretched back to the same length and then all the stretched parts are connected in parallel. the resistance of the combination will be same as the resistance of the original wire. Before we end up, jaldi se ek aur question. Last. It says a wire of resistance 25 ohm is cut into 5 equal parts. A wire of resistance 25 ohms is cut into 5 equal parts. Right? Now each part is stretched back to the same length and all the stretched parts are connected in parallel. What's the resistance of the combination so formed? Direct answer. पहले कितना था? 25. Still the answer will be 25. I hope याद रहेगा आपको. रिवाइज करें, रिपीट करें. सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस एक एक दो बार करके देखें या ट्रिक्स आपको याद होने लगेंगी. Thanks for joining in. See you again with another edition of Learning Physics Tips and Tricks. Bye.